I'm here because Anusha is such a big fan of mine. And hopefully, I will become an equally big fan of hers in the days to come. I'm just here to convey my blessings to her and to tell her that we are all extremely proud of her. Ravi mentioned that he was 36. I think I started writing well after about 25 years of business. And when I made that transition, I thought that I was doing something incredible. But when I look at her, I realize that, honestly speaking, the miracles are happening right before us. So I'm looking forward to being one of the first few to get my book signed by Anusha. And I hope that Anusha will not just stop at this series, but will come out with many, many more series. I know that she has the spunk and the spirit, both. The mere fact that she's here answering questions with such immense confidence is a sign of things to come. And I think if we are proud of her today, we are going to be even more proud of her maybe 5 years from today. I think the party has just started. So congratulations.
So very well said. Thank you so much, Ashwin. And like he said, there's going to be, I'm assuming, a huge line now, Anusha, for everybody waiting to get their copies signed. So there is another question. Where? We love questions.
Anusha, first of all, congratulations for you for your first book. And I would like to ask you to say something about the cover of the book.
The cover of the book, everybody.
The cover actually was decided after a lot of speculation, and it's a topic that me and my dad have had the most disagreements on. But it's turned out wonderful, and I should thank Think Why Not, who designed the cover, and they got everything exactly the way I wanted. Every single element, all the fire, the water on this side, the two girls, it's perfect. It's right to the description, and I really thank them.
That's about the cover. Yes, another question.
Congratulations, Anusha. I wanted to ask you, see, when your father launched his book, the question asked to him was how he was managing the office work and his writing. But I think it's very difficult as a student because I know Anusha is a very bright, even in academics. So how do you manage your academics, homework, study, and reading? Because you're up to launch your second. So how do you manage your time?
I write, of course, and then I write at night usually after everything is done, and I actually owe that to my mom, because if I'm right in the middle of a plot, and there's some mystery going on, then when your creative juices are flowing, she actually lets me stay awake for more than past my bedtime, and so I really want to thank her for that, and that's how I actually completed this book. Major part of this book is written in the night.
Thank you so much. Anybody else? Any last questions? Well, yeah, we hope the little babies don't tell their mama, so now past my bedtime, we need an hour extra, like buffer. Alright, so moving on now, ladies and gentlemen, like I said, we have copies of the book available at the store. We have the very talented Anusha right here with us. Who wants to say something?
Meher Miss, can you please say a few words about me?
Where is Meher Miss? Okay,
she's been my elocution teacher, and she's also encouraged me a lot. And elocution has enabled me to write a book.
I love you, Anusha, and I think you're fabulous. What can I say? You were in the 3rd standard, and I taught you for 4 years. And your dedication, commitment, and your passion for writing, and your creativity have reached from strength to strength. God bless. All the best.
Thank you so much, Miss, for actually making it out.
You're welcome. I wouldn't have missed this for the world. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Miss,
there's somebody behind? Yes.
Hi Anusha, congratulations.
Namaste, Miss.
And I promise I won't ask you questions. I'm not asking you questions. This is just to wish you all the best, and we are very, very proud of you.
Thank you so much.
So much of wishes flowing on a single day. Anybody with questions on this subject? Going to be moving on to the book signing now. So before that, I'm just going to, in a very special way, thank
Suchitra Sudeshna, thank you so much for being here with us, for acknowledging her book with your presence. Thank you so very much. And Anusha, congratulations once again. I'm sure we'll have a big, huge line. You're going to be signing a lot of copies today. So all the very best for your future endeavors, for books to come, and much, much more to your life. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Anusha Subramanian and her book, Let's Get to You Now. You can get your copies right there. The first, Suchitra is getting a copy signed first. So please, that's going to happen now. And for all those who have their copies, kindly line up just to ensure that, it's done in a